What's up, guys? Your boy Caesar 22. I'm back again with another video. I'm currently in the baseball field in the park nearby. It's pretty big, as y'all can see. We brought our people to the park for the first time, and let me tell y'all guys, she's really excited. We found the baseball too. Look at them go. Big old yard. It's a big old yard. They seem happy. So yeah, guys, pretty much this is how we started our day, and it's the first time. And I'm gonna show you some video clips, how they be running, jogging, and all that.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.